Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. We did a key for this car here, 2001 C320. After we finish, the car start, but the door lock unlock doesn't work. As you see, everything look okay. We made a key on the first video, if you see it, and the key that we made it worked. The first key, this is the first key I made, and I made another key also. Okay, if you notice here, when you push the door lock, you see, it works. So other than that, it doesn't work. So I did all the diagnosis. I said, you know what? I made the first key. Maybe this key is not good programming. So let me try to do another key. So I make another key. Also, I have the same. So I went back, I connect the tester light, and then I come all the way here. I come here, and if you notice here, we have a fuse box. I open the cover. This is the cover here, or this side, I don't know, yeah, maybe this side. I took it out, and then I checked those fuses. You see this fuse here? Fuse number 8. There are numbers here on this side. If you go slowly, you're gonna see some numbers on the right side. You see 7, 8. So fuse number 8 here, I check it. Wow, we're getting volt. We have 12 volt, and then this one here 0. So this fuse blown. So I'm gonna get another fuse right now, put it here, and see if it will work. Give me 1 minute. This fuse is 7.5, 7.5. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna put, I have a 10 amps. Where is gone? This is the one. And then I will see if everything is good, it will be good. If something wrong, then we take it from there. So I'm gonna put this one. 2 places supposed to have power. You see, I have here, and I have here too. Now I'm gonna take the 2 remotes that I made them and see if they work. Yeah, I see even the light there blink, you see? See? This one work. Let's work too. Let me close the door. I wanna move the cable from here. Okay, that's the door lock. Here is the piece. Lock it, unlock, lock, unlock. Push this one. Okay, yeah. Here, this is the light. We are in a good shape now. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.